Traders of Multipurpose Market of Lungi Barracks in Abuja has filed an application before Justice Yunus Safar of FCT High Court, 49 sitting in Wagwalada. The application, which seeks to commit Chief of Army Staff Major General Farouk Yahya and others to prison for allegedly disobeying a court order not to demolish Lungi Building Materials Market, Maitama Extension, has been reserved for rolling till April 26, 2023. Addressing the press after filing the application, Abuja-based lawyer and human rights activist Maxwell Opara said justice must be served.
We came to court today to commence contempt proceedings against the Chief of Army Staff, Farouk Yahya. So we are asking Mr. President, as a matter of urgency, to remove him or he should resign for disobedience of court order. This is not a banana republic. And a court gave an order directing him not to do an act. We are talking about Mame Market in Lungi Barracks, whom the Army Welfare Limited call for people to interested parties to come and buy. They purchase the property, build it. Just less than 2 years, after having 25 years lease agreement with these traders, only for them to just come and give them 2 weeks notice to quit, that they are going to demolish that place, probably to give another developer. And we said no. All our effort to dialogue with them. You have lease agreement with these business Nigerians with respect to that particular market for 25 years. And most of them just borrowed money from microfinance bank and developed that place. 2000, 2001. Some just finished their own last year, 2002. In less than 2-3 years, you are now issuing them 2 weeks quit notice to quit. We file action in this particular court, file motion affidavit of urgency, file motion ex parte. Court gave an interim order asking them to stop. Let's court to hear them and put them on notice. With respect to our motion on notice, only for them, after receiving that court order on the 6th, the Chief of Army Staff said that they will never obey court order. Is here the Banana Republic, a country that is being predicated on constitutional governance? Is he the first Chief of Army Staff? That's the Chief of Army Staff today. You want to destroy the system, you want to destroy the rule of law because he's the Chief of Army Staff. So we have come to comment consent proceedings against him. We have filed a from 48 with our motion. So my Lord have heard us and said that he's going to give ruling on the 26th. For him to attend to this court, to come and tell the court the reason why my Lord should not commit him to prison. Let him fail to appear before this court and show, then my Lord will send him to prison. If you feel that you don't want to go to prison to serve it, let him continue. I heard him say maybe when he retire, and as a matter of fact, he will be an ex-convict forever.
Mr. Opara lamented that the demolished market will push over 2,000 Nigerians out of business.
We have about over 2,000 traders. I show you, you go to that place and see the kind of solid building these people. Each of those block is not less than 50 million naira each. And you see the kind of solid building, and they build based on the plan the military gave them. Then what are we talking about? So it's very, very unfortunate that even do not the worst of it. When this particular matter came up, after discussing with them, I told the traders that the best option is for us to go to court. They said no, that they won't go to court. 80% of them, over 80% of them said that they are not going to court, that the army will not obey court order. I said no, it is never done. With the help of those, few of them, and those of them that have relatives as a lawyer, they said that's the option for us. They said army will never obey court order, that they have even said it. And now they are proving them wrong. Don't you feel that this thing can lead to anarchy? Then why do we have courts? If the government agency, the military are supposed to lead by example. If the military, the police, the EFCC, the ICPC, the DSSS refuse to obey court order, how do you expect the trader to obey court order? How do you expect the taxi man to obey court order? Are we in Banana Republic? The answer is no. You must get it right. This is not a Banana Republic. We must obey the rule of law. This is a democracy. We cannot, even the worst military regime, they do obey court orders.